It's wax day. We got some new wax from Crybaby Wax, and I just exfoliated. Jump scare. I know. Don't judge me, okay? I'm a professional waxer now, guys. Look at this. I'm waiting for the wax to heat up, and then it turns green when it's ready. I'm waiting for the wax to cool, but y'all, I'm getting nervous. Like, this is real professional shit, and I'm just like, I'm starting with their priming powder, A Whale of a Time. So cute. I love this. Pot, 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 pot. My heart is also pat right now. They also provided these little get a grip wax sticks, which I love. These little applicators, they have big ones for like your body and then little small ones in case you want to wax your stash. Obviously, I'm using the big one. Okay, the wax is ready. Let's start. Oh, it's not really hot. Okay. Okay. This is not an even layer. Oh my gosh. It's doing that thing. What do the girls be doing? What do the wax girls be doing? Now, they're gonna rip it up, rip it up, rip it up. Ah! Ah!
What?
Ah! That's a lot of hair. Oh snap, it looks good too. I just gotta peel the rest. I should have did that faster. Okay, we got it, we got it. Okay, I'm about to use the mango cooling gel, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna use it on a cotton pad. Ooh, this feels good. Use the finishing oil. It also smells really good. But all of this is vegan and it's cruelty-free and it's for sensitive skin. And I love this, you guys. Look at that. Look at her. I love this. Thank you, Crybaby Wax.